Hey everyone, my name is Ben and welcome to my channel Press Tube. Now in this video I'm gonna melt this 1 kilogram gold bar in my furnace over here, and once it's melted I'm gonna pour it in my vacuum chamber, which is this. It's an acrylic vacuum chamber. I'm not gonna use it as a vacuum chamber now. I'm just gonna fill it up with water and then I'm gonna pour in the molten gold and see what we get. The only thing I hope is that when it reaches the bottom it has cooled down enough so it doesn't melt my vacuum chamber. Okay guys, sit back, relax and enjoy this video. Okay guys, welcome back. I hope you liked the video so far. Now I'm gonna take out a chunk of gold and see how much it weighs and also give you a close-up view of that piece of gold. Now I've already drained the vacuum chamber from the water, so I'm gonna just take out a chunk of gold and I'm gonna show it to you up close. And after that I'm gonna weigh it on this precision scale. Okay, so this is the biggest chunk in the vacuum chamber. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit and I hope you can see it better. Let me put it nice in the middle of the screen and now I'm gonna rotate it. So I think, yeah, it looks quite amazing. Now I'm gonna weigh it on the scale and then we can see how much this weighs. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna put the scale in the middle of the screen here, like this. I'm gonna zoom in a bit. I'm already gonna turn it on and I hope you can read the numbers. If my camera is focusing, yep. Okay, now you can read the numbers. I'm gonna put this chunk on the scale, then we can see how much it weighs. So it says, yeah, almost 440 grams. So that's roughly, I think, $18,500. Okay guys, now I hope you liked the video. If you did, please consider to give this a thumbs up. And if you have any other ideas which I should do with the gold in the future, just let me know in the comments below. And see you in the next video. Bye bye!